Can I? Cheese.
Okay. So, what's your name?
Ryan.
How old are you?
3.
Oh. What have you been dreaming about lately?
Dark shadows, spiders, aliens, superheroes, and Batman.
Cool. Are those good guys or bad guys?
Good guys.
Awesome.
But aliens are bad guys because
Aliens?
yeah. And because my favorite food is grapes and chocolate toast.
Ooh, good choices. Who are your teachers now in your 3-year-old class?
It's Buckwheat.
That's Kelsey's kindergarten teacher.
What about Miss Williams and Miss Garcia?
Don't do that.